Today, I'm going to be updating the M3 badge of my car because, let's face it, it's 24 years old and it could use a little update. And if you look at the car, it has a lot of tiny little like black accents on it, like the wheels, the lip, everything like that. So today what I'm going to be doing is actually replacing the chrome badge with this M3 badge right here, but I'm going to be also adding in the competition right here, and I haven't seen this on anybody's E36 yet, so as far as I know, I'm probably going to be the first to do it. Alright, so basically before you start doing anything, you're going to need to get all your tools together and all your supplies. So before I start off, I'm going to start off with washing the car so that there's no dirt here. You're going to need masking tape to, kind of put it around where the badge is right now so that you can put it in the exact same spot as before. And after that, you're going to need a heat gun to start kind of blowing on the badge itself. A fish line to get underneath the badge to get all the glue off, or kind of like peel it off as well. And after that, just clean it again and start sticking on the badge onto the car. That's not what you want, okay. Why does shower work but not jet? We need to invest in a new one of these. Oh yeah. Nope. Whatever. Don't get too deep into like getting all the dirt out just yet, because you're not going to be able to, and once you have the badge off, you're going to be able to get all the dirt and grime that's been under there for like years and years, so I wouldn't worry about that for now. When I was washing the car before, like last week, a bunch of clear coat flew off of the top of the roof because the previous person that decided to re-clear coat the car did an awesome job and put some cheap clear coat on, so now it flies off the roof. So now it's all underneath the badge. Okay. You're gonna need some tape now because you need to mark where that old spot is of the badge. And that's what we're doing right now. Nice. It's okay to put masking tape on the car for like a little bit, not too long, because once it's on the car for a long time, it starts getting into the clear coat and all the glue just gets stuck there, and once you start peeling it, your clear coat or something is going to start peeling, and it's not going to be a fun time. I can tell you from experience. So now that I have that marked down, I'm going to grab my fan and I'm going to start heating up the badge, and I'm going to get the fish line and start cutting underneath the badge to kind of ease up some of that glue and start peeling off the badge. I got my fish line, but I don't know where to put it. Perfect. So I don't have a heat gun, so I'm just going to be using this fan. It just wasn't in the budget. That's actually a lot easier than I thought that would be. Okay. You just kind of want that like lumberjack, the old style, how they used to cut stuff, like trees. That kind of back and forth motion. Okay, let's move on to the M badge. Crap, I forgot the thumbnail. Think they'll notice? It's crazy how this badge is 24 years old and it still hasn't lost its chrome or anything, and it looks pretty nice. That's crazy. And its glue is pretty good too. Honestly, if I didn't know better, I would say this is replaced, but I know it's not. So that's pretty sick. Like that. Alright, thanks for watching. This is the end of the video. This is my D-Badge 328i. Thank you for watching. So because we're so professional here and we check every single little detail, we noticed that the M3 badge, the newer one, or the blacked out version, is a little bit smaller than the old one. I mean, I kind of knew that, but I didn't know it was this much smaller. It's a little shrunk. So that means we're probably going to have to choose where we're going to put the badge, which way we're going to sit it. That's all that means. Nothing to be worried about. Nothing to cry about. I feel like Bob Ross, all the commentary. Oh, baby! Alright, so I kind of thought about it, and since this badge is a little bit smaller, what I'm going to do is put it all the way up, because I'm going to have the competition badge at the bottom anyway. And if I don't do it like that, it's going to look like there's too much space from the taillight. And if I do it too far to the left, it's going to look like there's too much space between the trunk gap right here and to the badge, because it's going to be sitting about right there, and that's an extra, I think, like 1/3 of an inch, and it's not going to look that good. So what I'm going to do is put it all the way to the top, like where the badge sat, and to the right, because I'm still going to have this addition right here, and it's going to just kind of fill in this space right there. So that's what I kind of decided on. It's going to look the best like that, I think. I really don't know what you're supposed to use, so don't flame me in the comment section if this isn't what you do or what you're supposed to do. I've never debadged the car before. I'm not a racer. I never had to be. So I think I'm just gonna cut back once I finish peeling this, because this can be a long and boring / painful video to watch. So we'll just cut back to when I'm done peeling this whole thing. All right, that's how it looks. I tried to get as much of it off as I could, but the sun kind of took the rest of the clear coat. So this is the best that I have, and I guess I'm just gonna have to work with this. Where are my M3 badges? By the way, these are like real OEM badges. These aren't some knockoff like eBay stuff. These are actual genuine badges. Okay, that looks good to me. I think that's as straight as I'm gonna get it. How good does this look? Where are we looking? Where does it look good? Right here? Does that look good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Measure out a 1/4 inch.
It's pretty much 1/4 inch, like it's like one line off.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, perfect. Ooh, that looks good. This shouldn't take this long. Alright, so I peeled off the tape. It already looks a lot better. It looks like it's kind of slightly crooked pointing down, but that's how the badge was, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. And I think it's because this spoiler kind of makes it look like it's kind of angled. I don't know, whatever. So now it's time for the competition badge, and it's supposed to sit like a 1/16, maybe an 1/8 underneath it, so that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, that looks so good. Oh man, that looks really good. Should we show it? Alright, go ahead, show it.
Begging, begging you, put your loving hand out, baby.
Dang, boy, that looks so good.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching the video. Really happy with how it came out, really happy with the install. The car runs a lot better, feels a lot better, the handling is better, the turbo runs fast, the oil is cooler, and basically, I don't know, I love it. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.